In a world dominated by social media, capturing the attention in just a few seconds is very essential. That's where the 3-15-3 formula comes in. Today we'll dive deep into this powerful technique in creating engaging reels that keep your audience hooked. It all starts with the first 3 seconds, the hook. You have a mere moment to grab your viewer's attention, so make those seconds count. Use a visually striking moment or an attention-grabbing statement to immediately intrigue your audience. Here's an example. A quick flash of an exotic location, a burst of laughter, or a surprising fact. These 3 seconds set the stage for the rest of your reel. Now that you've hooked your viewers, you've got 15 seconds to tell a story. The key is to keep it engaging and to the point. Think of it like a micro-movie. Create a clear narrative or showcase journey that your audience can follow in just 15 seconds. Use a mix of shots, transitions, and music to keep the pace lively and exciting. This keeps your viewers glued to their screens. As the 15 seconds wrap up, you have one final opportunity to leave a lasting impression, the 3-second resolution. And with a bang, it could be a quick reveal, call to action, or a memorable moment that makes viewers want to see more. And that's it. The 3-15-3 formula. 3 seconds to hook, 15 seconds to tell a story, and 3 seconds to leave a lasting impression. Now, this may vary depending on the length of the reel because social media apps nowadays are updating their allowed videos, like TikTok. But the principle stays the same. You have your beginning, your middle, and your end. Now that you know the formula and structure of a reel, let's take a look at sample reels that are using this formula and how they elevated their video with their edits and visual style.
Have you ever heard of hyperbolic discounting? You might be unknowingly doing it in your life. Let's meet Mike. Mike has been buying one lottery ticket a week for 10 years without any wins. Until one week, he finally hit the jackpot, winning $15 million. Now he's faced with 2 choices. Option 1, take the $15 million upfront. Option 2, receive $500,000 annually for 30 years plus a 25% interest bonus, totaling $18,375,000. Despite option 2 being more profitable, Mike chose option 1 to fulfill his dream of buying his dream home and car right away. This dilemma is known as hyperbolic discounting and was coined by psychologist Robert Herrnstein. He observed that people tend to prioritize immediate rewards over delay rewards, not considering the long-term benefits. It's even shaping the landscape of content creation here on YouTube. Many creators tend to chase current trends to achieve a spike in popularity. If you're a creator, focus on the long-term loyalty, not the short-term spike.
Let's dissect the reels part by part. Notice that the editors chose to start with a talking head, but the catch here is, in that quick 3 seconds, they incorporate visual graphics to support what has been said. Talking head is important in the beginning because it helps build trust with their audience. It is also compelling because it creates the effect of engaging the viewer in a one-on-one conversation. On the occasion where no talking head is available, you can use fast cuts or clips or title animations. Depending on the topic, you can interpret these visual cues as an introduction to the story that you are going to share. Remember, the 3-second hook is crucial. So think of it like a literal hook. As a social media user, ask yourself, what makes you stop scrolling and watch the whole video on TikTok? Gather your favorites and incorporate that in your edits. This is the part where the speaker is explaining, telling a story, or giving tips. This is where you have to add motion graphics and B-rolls to make the video dynamic. Present supporting visuals of what the speaker is saying. Graphics are good resources to help people remember certain facts and phrases that stand out from the person speaking. You can show the speaker from time to time, but avoid showing the subject or speaker for too long without graphics going on, as it becomes boring. Let your visuals narrate the story. Here, you can relax a bit with the graphics and bring the speaker as he mentions what to do after watching the video. Mastering the 3-15-3 formula can help you create reels that stand out in a crowded social media landscape. So the next time you're crafting a reel, remember these principles to keep your audience engaged from the first frame to the last. Thanks for joining us today. Stay creative, stay engaging. Until next time, happy reeling!